Start recording. Stop recording.
Hello
Button.
everyone, it's the blind musician here. Oh shoot, and for the looks of it, people, we are finally getting rain. It's pouring, and I'm going to try to show the camera. It's freezing us.
Stop. Camera chooser. Back facing. Button.
If you can see my window screen, I don't know if you can see that. If you can see that it's raining. Let me know if y'all could see that. If y'all couldn't, I am very sorry. But I'm not the best at pointing camera. Sorry if you cannot really hear me. I have a lollipop in my mouth. But we have not gotten rain in a very long time, and we didn't get much last year. And the fact that it's pouring is really cool. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep this open for a while. Ugh. Not a lot open, but open. So yeah, I don't think it's dying down. Oh well, we got a lot of rain. And I'm happy that I got it on film. Hopefully, if y'all saw that, it was raining. If you didn't, you can hear it. Sorry, I have a lollipop in my mouth because I'm holding something in my hand. But, I really hope that y'all enjoyed that, and I'm just happy that we finally got rain. Oh, okay. We're really getting rain now. Oof. Well, I'm gonna go sit by the window and listen to it because the rain is calming for me. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. It's kind of really loud. So I'm gonna end this here. Ow. Bye, everyone. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Oh, it's dying down again. I think it's switching areas. Oh yeah, I actually think it's. I think it's dying down right now. But hold on. Let me make it easier for y'all to understand me. Well, here's this lollipop, and here's the other one. See there. Hold on. But yeah, hopefully if the recording's still going. We got rain and I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.